Google Ads is free to write. They really want you to spend your money, but guess what? There is a way around it for you to make use of Google Keyword Planner for free without spending.
To take money.
I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about this because I always talk about Google Keyword Planner for business to rank first on Google. Alright? You guys keep saying, Coach Ebenezer, I can't create an account with Google Ads. They want me to pay. I get it. Don't worry. Google wants your money, but we are going to find a way around that. But before that, just quickly like the video and comment by asking your question in the comment section for this video to get more audience. And also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Whenever we drop our video, you will be notified. If you've done that, thank you and God bless.
You guys are making a big mistake.
You start by going through the normal setup and pick a goal, give it a business name, and also fill out the rest of the empty fields as displayed on your screen. But here is the thing: when you get to the part where they want you to spend cash, that's where the magic comes. Most people just give up, but don't worry, there is a secret little button down there that says something like, are you a professional marketer or something? Click that and boom, you get into it. The first thing you are to do right now is to navigate over here. Click on this button, start now, or you click here, sign in. If you have already created an account before with Google Ads, you can click here, sign in. But if you have not, just click this button to sign up. Alright. Click on start now. So as it's loading, please like, comment by asking your questions in the comment section for this video to get more audience. And also subscribe to our channel. If today is your first time coming across our channel, please do so by turning on the notification bell to stay tuned. If you have done that, thanks for your support. God bless you. But for Google not making this intuitive for users to understand, it means that they know what they are doing, so they don't want you guys to know about this, so they want you guys to spend. Do you understand? It means that they want you to spend. You get? But once you have find this particular trick, you can use the Google Keyword Planner without spending a dime. Do you really understand what I mean? Okay, that's because Google wants you to spend your money. That is one thing for sure. They don't want you to know that particular button that will lead you to the Keyword Planner that is supposed to be a free tool. You understand? They probably need you to go through some steps in order for you to pay before you access this Keyword Planner. Do you understand? They want you to pay them. That's the only way, their means of generating revenue. You get? So it's not a big deal. Get? So alright, here we are. Now it is time to write your AD. Alright? So the next thing we have to do now is to fill out this form given to us. Do you understand? Then do the necessary things and then move to the next step. Alright? So scroll down, click next. So that's it. So the next phase of it, they said add keyword themes to match your AD. Do you understand? You have suggested themes here. What we have to do right now is just to use the suggested keyword themes right here given to us. We have one page website, depending on what you've chosen in your headline, any other keyword that you want to choose from the suggested keyword themes that Google have already provided, so you can make your choice from there. Choose as many as you can. Do you understand? So once you are done, you click on the next button. Now this is where the whole thing starts. Do you understand? We have to choose your address. Do you understand? Do the necessary things, follow the on-screen directions and all that. So you want to specify where you want to. This particular page talks about you specifying the targeted locations that you want your advert to be shown. You want people from this particular location to see your advert, so that is where you put in the location. But you can as well leave it if you want it to be worldwide. You understand? So you just leave it blank. You're not choosing any particular location. All right, so right now we've chosen Nigeria. Then so we like to choose the zip code. the country which you are targeting, as written here. Do you understand? And the state, and also all that which you are targeting. So let's say the zip code is this. Let me assume, okay, this is my zip code. All right, this is my zip code. So when you are done with the zip code, you can just click next. You understand? Here lies the problem. Is where people find it difficult to navigate through and all that. You have to pay before you can access the Google Keyword Planner. The Google Keyword Planner is free, but there is a button that I want to show you guys. Do you understand? So I want you guys to know about this trick. Like, there's a particular button that is hidden. Google had to hide it. They hide it because they want you guys to spend your money. Do you understand? They don't want you guys to know about it so that you can frequently use the free tools which they have in their platform. Do you understand? So they want you guys to pay in order to access that free tools. But if you are knowledgeable enough, you know about this trick, like you know of it, then you can identify that particular button where you can press, then access the Google Keyword Planner without you paying a dime. Do you understand? So that's the main reason for this class. That's the main reason for this tutorial, and that's the main reason for doing this video. So I'm going to show you, because most of you guys have been asking me that they want to know how they can access this Google Keyword Planner without paying, because they always encounter issues like, okay, Google is requesting for their credit card. Without them paying, they can now access the Google Keyword Planner and stuff like that. So that's the main reason for me to couple up this video in order to solve this issue of you guys not accessing Google Keyword Planner. You understand? Without you paying. So that's the main reason why I'm doing this video. So, but guys, don't worry. I will show you how to do this. I will tell you through, like, I will help you out to get to that place. Then we'll first get to the point where you guys always get to, where the point of confusion. So when we get to that point whereby you guys always get there, and when you get there, you know that, oh, they are requesting for credit card, that means I can't access this without paying. So you get tired, you get deteriorated and all that, and then you fall back to someone who knows about it, asking, oh, how did you do yours? How did you do this? How did you do that? Stuff like that. So we'll get to that point, and then I will take you back. Then we'll start from the beginning, where I have to show you the right thing to do before you can access the Google Keyword Planner. So right now, what I want you guys to do right now, if you have reached to the end part, like right here on this particular page, they are now requesting for you to make choice of the particular plan, your budgets for your ad. You understand? So you can say, okay, I want to go for this $18. All right, I want to go for this one. I want to go for this one. I want to go for this one. So it depends on your budget for your ads. You understand? So anyone you choose here, you're going to pay for it. So they are going to ask for the money. Do you understand? You're going to type in your details, like your account details, stuff like that, your credit card, everything for them to collect the money. They need the money from you so that you can access the tools. But know this, you are not going to pay a dime under my own tutelage. Do you understand? So everything that I provide to you guys is free, and nothing but free. I don't give out things that I know that will cost you guys. I give out free stuff to you guys so that you can access it and enjoy it. Do you understand? So don't worry. When you get here, what you need to do, if you've reached to this extent, then what you need to do is just to go back. Do you understand? And you go back and go back. You reach that first page. When you get there, all right, yeah, you stop here. All right, now you can see over here. You can see over here, under here, are you a professional marketer? Do you understand? That's what they are saying over here. You can see, say, are you a professional marketer? Switch to expert mode. So this is what Google is hiding away from us, because you yourself, you can see that this particular word now, this particular button is hidden. So nobody will, have that mind, like, they've already shown you you have to click next and all that to take you to the next page and all that, but you didn't even check for this particular button down below because you are not after that one. You are after what to do next. Do you understand? So it's the next button that will come to your mind to click. Going down to look for this one will not come to your mind. Do you understand? So that makes it so trickish. Like Google is very wise. They don't want you to know of big stand so that you cannot access this Google keyword planner. You get? But so once you are here right now, what you have to do now is just to click on switch to expert mode. So you understand? So once you do that, it will take you to the next page. You understand? So right here on this our page, you have to navigate, come down, navigate through, like come down, click on that, create an account without a campaign. This is where you're going to click. You click on it, create an account without a campaign. So when you create it, it redirects you to another page where you have to, do the necessary things, check in the radio buttons there and all that. Then click on submit. So just follow the on-screen direction, read it, then carefully, study it carefully. Then after that, you click on the call to action button there, which we have submit. You click on submit, then it will redirect you to another page. So the another page we have here right now is this page whereby they will tell you, congrats, you are all done. So right now, if you are here, just be rest assured that okay, you can now access Google Keyword Planner for free without spending a dime, because now they've congratulated you. It means that Google knows what they are doing. Do you understand? They did it intentionally, so it's just a way of to trick you guys so that you guys will see it, so that you pay in order to access this free tool. Get me? When you see yourself here, just click on this button which says explore your account. So you click on it, it redirects you to another page. Do you understand? Okay, right here on this page is your dashboard. So on this your dashboard, you are rest assured that okay, finally here I am on the dashboard right now. So where is the keyword planner? So is the Google Keyword Planner. That's what you are looking for, because you want to check out things, you want a bunch of keywords to work on for your business. Do you understand? So that's the reason for you to go for this Google Keyword Planner, so that you can use it as a great tool for your keyword planning and stuff like that. You want to get a nice keyword that will help your content to rank first on Google, not even on Google, even on YouTube, stuff like that. You can use Google Keyword Planner for your YouTube videos, stuff like that. Get ideas, get keywords, what people are searching and all that, to build around it. Then use it for your content, so that your content will rank, so that people will see it whenever they search that particular keyword. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, so right here on this dashboard, when you see yourself here, don't be afraid to make use of the UX of this particular Google platform. Right here, you just navigate through, go down there where they wrote tools, okay, by your left hand side. Do you understand? So go to your left hand side, then you come down, you see the tool, like I'm clicking it right now. You click on tools, then when you click on tools, it will open up. You get me? So when it opens up, you will see Google Keyword Planner. So that's it. This is the Google Keyword Planner. Okay, discover new keywords, get search volume, focus, and all that. For the purpose of this training, the reason for us to go for this Google Keyword Planner is actually for our, keywords. We want to search for keywords. We want to discover new keywords and all that. So we'll make use of this first one. Okay, discover new keywords. You probably click on it and it will redirect you to another page. So when you click on it, it will redirect you to another page. So this is the another page that it's going to redirect you. So the another page is going to redirect you is your location. All right, so this location actually works for if you are trying to target a particular location, to know what they are searching. Let's say, for instance, you want to target people in UX alone. You want to know what US people are actually searching on Google. you understand, based on what your content is all about. Okay, then you can just choose US as your location. Do you understand? So for the purpose of this training, we are not going to choose US. We are not going to choose Nigeria. Already we have Nigeria there, but we're going to remove it. We want to leave it as worldwide. Do you understand? We want it to be worldwide. Do you understand? All locations. So right here, you just navigate through, open it, and when you open it, then you just remove the locations right there, then leave it blank. Then you click on save. Then once you click on save, it takes you back there. Next thing to do right now is to put in what you're actually searching for, like the product. Maybe let's say for instance, you want to know what people are saying concerning how to run Google Ads. Do you understand? You want to know what people, how they are searching, like you want to know globally what people, the kind of keywords they are using to search for how to use Google keyword. So you just like type what your product is all about, what you want to know, if these people are actually searching for it and the way they are searching for it. So you use that way, you craft it, arrange it, make it to look good. That's what we know as long tail keywords. Most of these keywords may have high competition rates. So probably if it has high competition rate, it means that your content to rank on Google is going to be hard for you. So probably going to make use of what long tail keywords so that your content will rank first on Google whenever people search for that particular keyword. Let's quickly dive into it. Let's move straight away. Let's not waste much time on this. Then when you are there, so what you've got to do right away, just type how to run Google Ads. Then you come over, then click on results. Then when you click on results, it gives you everything. Google will spit it out. Google Keyword Planner will spit everything out. You will see all the keywords concerning how to run Google Ads. You see everything, like spit it out for you to see and choose the keywords that you want. You understand? So you can see very super easy. This is not hard. This is just like you use it. People neglect this. They see it as a common thing, but this is the main thing. It's the main thing for your business. Just utilize this thing. Use it heavily in your business for your ranking and on your YouTube. The kind of the headline you are using to ensure to make use of this Google Keyword Planner for your YouTube, your content on Google. So whatever thing you are doing, just make sure you are using Google Keyword Planner for it, to know what people are saying about that stuff, then to know how you can tailor or put up your arrange your headlines so that people actually can search on that your headline, then get your content, then engage with what you are offering. Do you understand? So that's the main reason for this Google Keyword Planner. I guess you have grabbed something from this video today. So my happiness is just to let you guys learn more from what we are offering. With this, you can actually build your own business without stress, without wasting time and all that. So just play around this stuff, use it consistently, and you get the results that you want. I hope with this little idea and how we can do this, you have gotten everything right. So there is no big deal. You don't need to stress yourself again. You don't need to worry. So the only worry now is that you need to subscribe to our channel. You need to like, you need to share this video, you need to comment in the comment section so that this video will get more audience and get known to people, like people will get to know about this stuff and utilize it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I want you to stay tuned. I remain your coach, Ebenezer. God bless.